Welcome to our Notion Academy series. In this video, I shortly will talk about some inkjet basics. So what is inkjet actually? Inkjet is the means to eject droplets out of a jetting nozzle. So for example, a printed droplet can be even smaller than a human hair. An inkjet is a very fast process, and up to 100,000 droplets per second and per nozzle can be ejected. And it's a highly parallel process. That means we have over 10,000 nozzles per print unit with a pitch of 20 to 200 microns nozzle to nozzle. And of course, it's a digital process. That means we eject droplets on demand, a so-called DoD inkjet. And it's therefore possible to calculate when and where a droplet should land on a substrate. This makes the process so incredibly flexible and controllable. But there are many more advantages. In our next video, you will learn more about printhead and types. And yeah, thank you for watching and goodbye.